Oh, so this may be one of the kind of funnest, coolest kind of little, maybe even like a Christmas gift that you can get. That's not straight. One day, maybe. There we go. Anyway, one of the coolest little Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, or just a gift for someone that you know that rides a motorcycle. And it's winter, so anything you can get them for winter, they're gonna like. So this is the LEXIN Bassbucket Bluetooth speaker. Right here. So we're gonna crack it open. I've already opened it. We're gonna crack it open. We're gonna show you what comes with it, and we're gonna pair it to my phone and give it a listen. Oh, and make sure you stick around to the end of the video, because we're doing a giveaway at the end of the year, and we'll tell you how you can enter that. Okay, so before we open this lovely box, wherever this is here, this lovely box, LEXIN Bassbucket Bluetooth speaker. So it's not. Am I focusing at all? It seems to want to focus up here on me. No, it's focusing maybe there, sort of. It's not eye detecting. Why is it not eye detecting? All right, maybe we got it. There we go. Sorry. So not inexpensive. This is coming in at about $230. All new LEXIN Bassbucket, perfect speaker companion for parties, meetups, and home use. So my hope is it's going to be loud. Now it's not like a full-size helmet size, because I wasn't quite sure when they showed it, right? With industry-leading features, including mobile phone calling, answering up to 15-watt quick charge, multicolor LED lights, 2-year unlimited warranty, Bluetooth 5, it says 20-watt maximum output, 2.5-inch premium speakers with built-in woofers. So that's kind of them there, right? That's it. Now it does come in some cool colors. So you got black, yellow, gloss white, matte black, matte military green, and limited edition cartoon. So I kind of think that one's cool. Now I got black yellow, because I thought out of all the other ones that were there, the black yellow was kind of the coolest. Anyway, $229 US. That's the box, right? Did you guys see that? I'm gonna move my computer over. Hold on a sec. All right, let's just throw you over there. All right, so here we are, LEXIN. Right, there's the box. Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth 5, Ultra HD sound, multicolor, water resistant Type-C charge. Now I don't even know if this has a charge, but you guys can see all this stuff. What does it say for battery life? 15-hour battery life. That's okay. Touch volume adjustment and a line-in interface. That's fantastic, because I've seen some pretty high-end Bluetooth speakers, and they're like, "Hey, awesome speaker, no line-in," and I'm like, "But yeah." Okay, so what do we get first? We get a how to use. Lovely manual, though. Move that over. That's just lovely manual. Download user manual, instructions, etc., etc. Seems good. All the stuff that comes with it. Shows your volume, power button, LED lights, up and down button, where everything is. Very cool. And reset on the side, battery life prompts, all this good stuff. But it's a lovely manual, which I always appreciate. Okay, and we have, ready? So, not a full size, right? There it is, you guys see it, right? LEXIN. Not full size by any means, but still super cool. And what else do you get in here? The only other thing you get in here, of course, is you do get an auxiliary cable, which is awesome, and a USB-A to USB-C cable. Ready for the reveal? So when I showed this to my daughter, she's like, "Oh, it would be perfect for the cats." And I was like, "Yeah, it would be perfect for the cats if it was hollow, but it's got, that's where the woofer is at the bottom, right?" So my guessing is your tweeters and everything are going to be in here, so tweet and mid-range on both sides, and your woofer in the bottom. You have on the back, right, there's going to be your auxiliary port and your USB charging port. Good seals though on everything, so everything feels like it's got a nice seal to it, which is great. What else do we have here? Everything's got a nice plastic coating on it, so we'll just peel. Oh, so nice. Anything else have plastic on it? Doesn't look like it. And then we have our, looks like our volume on the top, minimum to max. LEDs, your power, and maybe fast forward or like back to the next one, back to the next one. I don't think the screen, oh, it does lift up. And then there's a picture of a motorcycle. Now, I don't know what would be cool. I don't know if this is even doable. What would be super cool is if you could take that out, because it's got a little, see the little LED light? You guys see the little LED light? Little light there? Be cool as you could take that out, and maybe you could, and put a picture of your own motorcycle in there. That would be sweet. But then you could just close that down. And the light turns off. You see that? Light turns off as soon as you close the lid. It's like a fridge door. Okay, that's pretty sweet. That's pretty sweet. Okay, let's set it right here. You're going right there. I got my phone. And we're going to open up Bluetooth here. So go to Bluetooth wherever you are. Oops. All right, right to the bottom here. And we're going to turn this on. First time.
Battery 100%.
Motorcycle-y. And we got a blue, you guys can see it I think, blue LED flash. Pairing. Model L at the bottom. There it is.
Pairing successful.
It's got some volume to it, for sure. Pairing successful. It's got, you guys can see at the top too, right? It's got all these lights. So can I just, is it touch? So it's not touch there.
Battery 100%.
Okay, I got you. I'm with you. This is like a LED light. Oh, this. Oh, it changes color. Look at that. You see that? So you have different colors, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna go back to I think the bluey one. That's nice. Volume. Can you slide it or anything? Maybe not. This button. Do you hold? No.
Battery 100%.
No, I get it. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm hearing what you're saying. Battery is at 100%. Let's just see here. Up button, down button. Volume. It says volume is touch. It does say touch. Maybe I have to have something moving. It does say maybe it's the side. Maybe. All right. Let's just see. And if I do this, does it do anything? No. I am connected. I am connected. Okay, hold on. Let's play some music. We're gonna play something. One sec. Again, now I have to play non-copyrighted music because you guys can hear it, right? Okay, I'm back. I figured it out. My computer didn't have its cloud syncing turned back on. We're good. All right. So here we go. As you can see, copyright. Where are we? Copyright free songs. Boom. All right. Let's Age of the Bear. So as you can see now. If you look, I'll bring this over here. As I adjust my, as soon as I brought up something with music, this moves. And I think it's when it's playing, you can adjust it. So as far as I see, it goes down. So I'm gonna go down quite a bit here. Okay, we'll bring that down. There we go. We'll hit Age of Bear. Okay, now I can adjust. So it has to be playing, okay? But listen to that. Wow. Okay.
I've got nothing left.
Wow. That's pretty good. And I'm only at... That's really loud.
The sun sitting on its side.
Okay, that's crazy. It's crazy impressive, actually. Hold on, ready? Next one. You guys can't tell, but it's loud, I guess. Okay, yeah, that's loud for sure. Ride free. Maybe there's some a little bit more rocky, maybe. Okay. So here's the positives, here's the negatives, right? So positive wise, it is ridiculously loud. Like ridiculously loud. I don't think I would ever have a need for this thing to go as loud as it can actually go. And from that, you know, 10% volume up to like 60 or 70% volume, it sounds like really good, really good. Now, I'm only sitting at about 70% right now, and you can tell on a song that's got a lot of low end, right, that the bass is having a little bit of issue, right? It's starting to crackle. It's starting to crackle a little bit. Now, that probably wouldn't affect me very much because, again, I don't think I'd ever have it up that loud. And if you're listening to a song like music like that first one, like this one here, this Age of the Bear that I have, right? This one here, like, because it's not crazy in the low end, right? Except for, it's nothing that's like boom, 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 right? It sounds great. I had it up to like 80% and it still sounds good. But if you are someone that likes like really bassy and thumpy music where everything's like boom, 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 you're definitely gonna hear some distortion out of it. Now I'm also listening into a small room like this. It's on a little table. So let's say you had it on a better table or outside where you know what it's you got it at the beach, right? You have it in the back of your motorcycle and you pop it up on your bike while you're showing. Maybe I'll bring this to Laconia when I go this year, because that would be sweet. Yeah, I think it's really cool. And at the price point, $229 US, it is. I don't want to say it's inexpensive, right? Because there's a lot of Bluetooth speakers out there that you can get for $50 or $100. Now, number one, they're not near as loud as this, not even close. Number two is they don't have all these cool LED lights and make it look pretty sweet, right? And sound quality, like when it gets to the point just before it starts to distort, it sounds like really good. So, you know, I think it really depends on what you need. I do think it's very cool. I'm super happy that I have this, and I do think that I'm going to bring this with us when we go on trips, especially if we're going on a little motorcycle trip, because what's cooler than bringing this out on your bike when you're parked somewhere and just being like, let's blast some tunes, right? Come on now, that's pretty sweet. But, you know, because of its price point, again, there are other options out there that are cheaper. Are they going to sound as good? Probably not. Are they going to be as loud? Definitely not. But it all kind of depends what you want. I think if you're a motorcycle rider, you're going to love this design. You're going to love the features. And you may even be able to find one of the designs that kind of matches your kind of overall theme, right? I would love to see them have made this design with the kind of the cool helmet graphics with where the yellow is kind of in different colors. So you could get that in red or blue or whatever. That would have been cool. Otherwise, I think it's really cool. I quite like it. And I want to thank LEXIN for sending this out to us. Now, for those of you that are watching this before the end of 2022, you don't have a whole lot longer, but we are going to be giving away a couple of the LEXIN P5 air pumps. Again, one of these things that for you and I that ride motorcycles or are in cars or you ride a bicycle, it doesn't really matter. This is one of those things that you should have with you. It's one of those, I hope I never need it, but if I do need it, I'm sure glad I have it. So the LEXIN P5, these come in at about $70 US, and we're giving away 3 of them. Now, to figure out how to enter in this, I'm going to put a link below to the P5 video. Give that a watch, and you'll be entered. All right, guys, that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I'll put links to LEXIN Moto's website where you can take a look at this and some of their other cool gear. Yeah, I like the LEXIN stuff. It's good. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.